Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Home Financing. Today we're going to talk about no income loans. And now that could mean a lot of things for a lot of different people. And I'm going to take you through some different scenarios, how that potentially will apply to you and what your options will be. So let's say you are unemployed and you have no income and you're trying to get a mortgage. So there are a couple of programs that would potentially fit for you. One is a stated income loan where you might be able to get approved, depending on your credit score and down payment, to purchase a home without a job. Now that's not easy to find, but we can help you to find that if that's what you need. You can do the same if you're buying an investment property. A job isn't needed, your income won't be calculated. It's going to purely be based upon what you could rent the home for and making sure that that rent would be greater than the mortgage payment. Another great program if you're unemployed, and this applies to people that are retired or they have just sold a business, for example. That's another great example, is an asset depletion loan or an asset-based mortgage, liquid assets. So if you have liquid assets equal to or greater than the purchase price of the home, net liquid assets after any debt is removed. So if you've got $500,000 in cash, but you have a $50,000 auto loan that's still sitting out there, then your net liquid assets would be $450,000. Okay, so if your net liquid assets are equal to or greater than the purchase price of the home, there is a program that might work for you where you can still get financing to purchase that home or refinance it. So let's say you are employed and you don't have enough income. You've got a few options there. One, you can find a cosigner that could bring additional income to your application. Keep in mind you bring their credit too, so if their credit is worse than yours, it's their credit score that will be used. You can also consider using an FHA loan, because FHA loans have DTI requirements of up to 56.9%, which is higher than conventional. So if you're not able to get approved for the loan amount you need through a conventional loan with the lender you're working with, then we may be able to help you to get this done with an FHA loan, stretching your income farther. And then the stated income loan that I mentioned earlier may also apply to you here and can work where the income calculation is not going to be done, and you still might qualify depending on your credit score and your down payment. So let's say you're self-employed and just don't have proof of income. Not that you don't have income, but just can't prove it because you're either mattress stuffing your cash or you've got a lot of write-offs and you can't document your income because your tax returns don't show much income or even a loss. Then what we would probably do is put you into a bank statement loan, and then you're just going to use bank deposits, no tax returns to qualify. You can also do that stated income program, but the bank statement loan program will allow for maybe a little bit of a lower down payment if you've got good credit. So the other option is if you're not buying a primary residence, but you're going to buy an investment property, is a hard money loan. Hard money lenders are not going to look at income at all. It's going to be a very expensive loan with points, and the rate will be high, but there will be no income requirement. So hopefully that answers your question. And if you've got a unique situation, you want to talk to someone, you want to get a quote, you want to find out which of these programs truly applies to you, just follow us down below to Dream Home Financing. I'll put the link in the first pinned comment and also in the description. If you're watching this on the website, just click the quote button and we will get right back to you. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you next time.